Switch the pump off and leave unplugged for 15 to 20 minutes to allow the pump to completely discharge. Check for the error codes on the variable speed pump's display and refer to the manual for the next steps involving any error code. If there is a buzzing sound coming from your pump's motor, this is indicative of either a seized bearing or failed run capacitor. If under warranty, the pump motor will need to be replaced. If not, contact your local pool professional for a service/repair. If the problem persists, reach out to your local Hendon specialist.